down. Sol means like alone. Kui means speech. So alone speech. So that's how you like break down each and every word into small bits. Shit, dude, I can't remember the GRE vocabulary. If you're anyone who is like this right now and who is about to give a GRE exam and can't remember the GRE vocabulary words, in this video I'll be giving you 7 steps in which you can like ace the GRE vocabulary section. So if you're interested, keep watching. Those who are new to the channel, my name is Rijul and I'm a master's in data science student at UCI this fall. And in this video I'll be targeting the elephant in the room, which is a GRE vocabulary section. Because the GRE vocabulary is the most toughest section of the GRE, most people lose their marks here. Quant, most people like do. GRE vocabulary is the toughest, which I personally have myself in that same thing. I think a couple of months back. So in this video, I'll be giving you 7 steps. If you follow them, trust me, you'll ace the GRE vocabulary section. So without further ado, let us start. So the number one step which I can say right now is go for long term. Like do not like just cram up the words, because that will not work. You'll like cram up like today, but you'll forget them tomorrow. Trust me, you will forget them tomorrow. Cramming does not work. So first of all, you have to like put your mindset in that, hey, I'm doing this for the long term. I'm not doing this for the GRE exam. I'm just like doing it for increasing my vocabulary. So first set the mind. The second step is use flashcards. And let me show an example. For example, if I show you this, now you'll remember this like in this video, hey, that guy showed this and this. So visualizations definitely work here. So why does visualizations work? So like for example, you have a friend like Tyler, and there's a English word name as Tyro, which means beginner. So you'll associate that with Tyler. So whenever you think about Tyler, you can associate him with that. Hey, he's a beginner. That's how you remember this. So how do flashcards work? You can use a Magoosh flashcards app, which is free, which I personally use. And this, guys, is not a sponsored video. I'm just like telling you from my experience here. You can use a Magoosh flashcards here. Basically, flashcards will give you an image here like this, and then it will give you a sentence here and then a description here. For example, you are using the word Tyro in a like everyday sentence, so that you will be remembering like easily. So that will not lead to cramming, and also you'll be able to learn more words easily. The next step is write down unfamiliar words. So where's my sticky note here? Okay, I can't find my sticky notes here, but if you don't have, there's a sticky note which comes in like different colors, 3 colors, and write down the unfamiliar words here and put it in front of you. Early morning as well as going before sleep, you watch these words, you watch the sentence, and you write them, and you also write a sentence in like real time description with them. And this you have to do until you give the GR exam. And what happens is when you do a word like in the morning as well as going before sleep, it goes into your head. So the unfamiliar words which you find that, hey, I cannot remember them, do this. The next step is find a study buddy. So if you have any friend like who is studying for the GRE exam, like invite him and say that, hey, let's do a GRE vocabulary test, and he will say the word, you will say the description, or you can do the vice versa. What this will happen is it turns into a real-time conversation. You are talking to another person, and when you talk to another person, you generally remember the things you actually say to them. Instead of just like reading flashcards and writing them down, you will actually remember like, hey, I said that, I used this word when I was talking to him. So this will work. The next step is learn the root words. So first, let's take an example here. Word name as Solalakui. It's like right down here. So how do you break it down? Sol means like alone. Kui means speech. So alone speech. So that's how you like break down each and every word into small bits, and then combine them to like know the roots of your word. So this is basically a Latin word. If you were like encountered a similar situation in the exam which you like could not like figure out what is the meaning of that word, break it down into small parts and then combine them to form a regular meaning. The next step is repeat. So practice, practice, and practice. I cannot like stress this enough, because if you don't practice, you will not be learning all those words. And either you use flashcards, you find a study buddy, you write down unfamiliar words. If you do not like practice or repeat them like regularly or daily, you won't be able to remember them in the exam, and you won't be able to perform. So practice makes a man perfect. The last step, and the last step here, is use the words regularly. Like for example, you're talking to someone, you're talking in your home, or like if you have learned a new word today, go try them out on new people. Not try them out, like use them out on in different conversations with your like mom or dad or like any other person you talk to during your day. So use those words and you will be surely getting a gist of it, and the unfamiliar words will sound familiar after a few days and you will be scoring well there. Video guys, and I hope you get a very good understanding of how do you prepare for the GRE vocabulary section. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will be very happy to help you. You can also come message me on Instagram, on LinkedIn. I'm super active on that. And if you want like more information on masters in the US, you can also follow my Quora space, which is masters in US, and where I post regularly content. And if you like reading blogs there, I also write on Medium, which is USA Master Sub. My publication is USA Master Sub. You can follow me there. I write a lot of blog posts and articles. So yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. Coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain.